I gave this example before about this doctor sahib, right, who would never shake hands with a woman, right? Because this is haram, I can't touch her, she's ghair mahram, I can't shake her hand. But one day he was given an award, and he was put on a stage, and there was all the media presence there, loads of lights, cameras, and all sorts of stuff. And in that moment, the woman who was giving him the award gave him the certificate, and she put her hand out. This was a test from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, that okay, you are normally very just, you are normally very obedient. Let me bring a few distractions around you to see if you are going to be as obedient in that moment. He had a lapse in concentration. He put his hand out and he shook that woman's hand. Had I not shaken this woman's hand now, the media may have said that, extreme Muslim refuses to accept award, or they would have painted the narrative to make this Dr. Saab look a bit negative in the media. However, sometimes, because a person says, I've done something for the sake of Allah, but he does not immediately see the effects of that. For example, a person says, okay, now I'm going to pray all my salah in the masjid. And he thinks that now all my problems will be solved. But sometimes what happens is the opposite happens, right? As though things begin to get worse for him, right? But Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is just painting this image now, just to test that person, that waqi, is this person really and truly doing it for my sake? And even if I was to test him a bit more, will he stay steadfast on his intention? Then later on, the person will begin to reap the fruits and see the effects of his sacrifices.